BCSO evacuation warning Philbrook area fire info BCS 25378.
The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Buttes 18 p.m. and ending at 5:18 p.m. The CSO evacuation warning Phil 1 2 5 3 7 8. The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Plymouth, CA, beginning at 5:28 p.m. and ending at 7:28 p.m. Mandatory evacuation notice for the town of Story east to the town of Tobin due to a wildfire. You should leave the area immediately. If you remain, emergency personnel may not be able to help you. If you need information on an evacuation center, please call 532
Generally don't like.
The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Plymouth, CA. Fire warning for Plymouth, CA, beginning at 5:38 p.m. and ending at 7:38 p.m. This is the Plymouth County Sheriff's.
That is
To evacuate. If you have special needs, you may want to evacuate now. If you have large animals, you should make arrangements to move them immediately if the situation changes. Additional
as camp.
situation changes. Additional alerts may be sent with updated information.